Okay, are we live? Okay, welcome to the Diagnostic Cytology Laboratory. We're here with Gul Rook, she's a faculty here, Donna, who's also faculty, and Kristen, a student. Okay. You can hold on to it if you'd like.
Okay. Hi, so welcome to our program. I'm the faculty here in Diagnostic Cytology, as Dylan mentioned, and I'm a Michener graduate myself, and I'm happy to share my knowledge and experience with my students. This is a unique program, and the responsibility of a cytotechnologist is to look at patient samples under the microscope, and usually they look for something like cancer. What is really cool about this program is that our students start with not knowing what a normal cell looks like, and in such a short period of time they leave from the program with such an advanced knowledge.
Great. So what are the graduate opportunities for this profession once successfully completed?
So our graduates, they get employed in hospitals, private labs, and some other vendors. In the recent past, actually, we have noticed more vacancies becoming available compared to what we had anticipated.
Oh,
yeah.
So it's been positive.
Yeah, very positive.
Okay. And then, Kristen, I'm sure you can help Gul with this, but do you think it's possible to have a part-time or full-time job while you're in the program?
Absolutely. I had a part-time job for most of the time that I was here. I worked a lot on weekends, and I still do actually, even now when I'm in my clinical placement, so it's definitely doable.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, it's great to get a student's perspective on that. We as faculty, we don't recommend to do a full-time job, because a full-time job would mean no life. So you will have to just work and study. And this is an intense program, and it requires our students to spend about 35 to 40 hours per week to finish their assignments and their weekly readings.
So that gets into how you deliver the curriculum.
Yeah, so in terms of the curriculum delivery, we have kept the adult education model in mind when we planned the curriculum design. And what it means is that we consider all these to be adult learners, and they come with a set of knowledge and experience with them, and we help them build their knowledge and experience and help them build this unique set of skills.
Great.
Yes. So speaking to that, how the curriculum is delivered too as well, and how it is actually different from undergrad. Instead of being in class in lectures every single week, we have the weeks where you're actually at home learning online. And then you have the residential weeks where you're here. So this is the weeks where you would be applying what you have learned during the weeks at home in the lab. And that also brings me to another reason why this program is different, is because it's very hands-on. So when you are here, you aren't sitting in lectures all week. You're in the lab at the microscope, working hands-on, which is really nice because you get to have that experience.
That's awesome. Okay, well, maybe we'll just show off the lab very quickly in between. And what are we talking about for clinical placements? What can we expect?
Okay.
Well, for clinical placements, the students will expand on their knowledge and their technical skills. Michener has maintained good relations with their clinical sites over the years. There is a limited number of spots available in the GTA, but we have regional centers that also have excellent clinical placements.
Great.
So we have some microscopes set up here with interesting cases, anywhere from benign to cancer, and there are certain precursors of cancer demonstrated here as well. So feel free to go around, and we have the most famous or popular cell demonstrated there, which is the koilocyte. This represents the low-grade squamous intraepithelial lesion of cervix, since we deal with pap smears for the most part.
So HPV?
HPV, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Any other questions, Dylan?
Yeah, so what about at the end of the program, are you writing a regulatory exam?
Yeah, we are writing the certifying exam, which is conducted by the CSMLS, or which is the Society of Medical Laboratory Science, and it increases your portability across Canada. So it makes you employable. You can work anywhere across Canada.
Anywhere across Canada. Perfect. So those are all the questions. Is there anything else you want to show off in the lab?
No, I'm just excited that we had like so many volunteers here today, and I'm really thankful to our first year students, Ian and Hattie, which are there at the back of the room helping some of our guests there, and thankful to Kristen for being here for us.
Well, thank you guys so much.
Thank you, Dylan.
Have a great day, and we'll be moving on to our next tour. Stay tuned.